to enable Vanish Mode in Instagram on your Android device. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can enable the Vanish Mode on your Instagram by using your Android device. For that, you have to follow this step. So first of all, you have to make sure that you have the latest version of your Android app. If not, then you have to go to your Google Play Store or Apple Store and download the latest version of your Instagram on your device. So search for the Instagram here. Once you are on your Instagram, if there is any update available, then you have to update the latest version of your app. After that, you have to open up your app here. Once you have opened up your app, you have to go for the one of the DM section of your message, which is on top right, and go and click and open the one of the message that you want to enable the Vanish Mode. So once you are here on that message, here you can see the conversation between you and that person. If you want to enable the Vanish Mode in your Instagram by using your Android device, you have to swipe you have to swipe up to turn the Vanish Mode on. Here you can see that you have to swipe up to turn on the Vanish Mode. Release go and swipe up, and you have to release to turn on the Vanish Mode. Here you can see that you have successfully enabled Vanish Mode in your Instagram by using your Android device. So here you can see that you have turned on your Vanish Mode. So on your Vanish Mode, send message will disappear when you close the chat. So if you want to disable it, you have to swipe up again to turn off the Vanish Mode here. So here you can see that. So you have to swipe up to disable the Vanish Mode. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily enable and disable the Vanish Mode on your Instagram. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.